I'm Charles, I'm 54 years old, I'm 6'1" when I'm fully assembled, and I weigh about 235 pounds. Today, I'm going to show you how to light a cigar with no feet. Okay, first of all, I like to start off with these long matches. So I went ahead and got a long match out. I'm going to take this cigar, which is a nice dark cigar, I believe from Honduras, and I know you can't tell, but I like to use the bullet cutter to punch the hole in the back. Start off with, I like to get that flame going. Definitely want to burn off that chemical and get a nice wide flame. I turn where my hand is above it so the flame will ride up that match. I got a nice wide flame. That's how I light a cigar with only one real foot in the entire video, right there.